Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do center aligning horizontally and vertically in CSS. This video was inspired by a blog post by Sudhanshu Yadav, which is available at the URL shown here. Center aligning elements horizontally is easy. The first way to do it works when the width of a child element is known. Set the width of the child element, and then set the left and right margins to auto. Set display to block if the element isn't already a block element. For elements with an unknown width, set the text align property on the element's parent to center. Set the display property on the element you want to center to inline block. Vertical centering is not as simple as horizontal centering. For elements that are positioned using position absolute, and where the height and width is known, use a value of 50% for top and left, and use a negative margin for top and left that's equal to half the height and width of the element, respectively. For elements with an unknown height and width, you can use transform as follows. Note that this method won't work in some older browsers, and it may have bugs if the transformed element contains form elements. For elements with an unknown width and height, you can use a ghost element. You can read about how this method works at the URL shown here. Another method for centering vertically is to align using line heights, if you know the height of the parent element. Finally, you can vertically align using a table layout. This can be applied when the height is unknown, but it needs an extra element to wrap the child. You can view example code for each of these methods on CodePen at the URL shown here. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Sudhanshu for the inspiration. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to web development.